Getting the right fonts for any design is key in relating any information to your design. But today, we'll learn a seamless way to download unlimited fonts and how to import them to your PixelLab design space. For this tutorial, you will need your web browser, your ES File Explorer, and your PixelLab application. Open your web browser, go to fontspace.com. Wow, we have more than 96,000 free fonts. So let's download one font. Let's download the Brussels font. Click on the download icon. Now it's downloaded, open ES File Explorer. Extract the fonts from the zip file. And there we have it. Moving on, open up the PixelLab application. Click on the A icon. Slide to font. Select My Fonts. Click on Text Plus icon. Select the folder where you extracted the fonts. Click on Add Selected. The imported font is the first one in the list. Select the imported font. Of course, you can proceed to make changes with the font. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button, subscribe and share only on SoftGet.